Good morning to all. Today in this video I will tell you about the next exercise of ratio and proportion. I told in the previous video what is the proportion, meaning of proportion. In this the sum terms related with the proportion like first proportion, third proportion, that I told you, the first proportion and fourth proportion. Now if you have A, B proportionality C to D, then A, D is equal to BC. This implies that. This you can write as AD, product of extreme is equal to product of means, that I told already. And if you have first proportion and fourth proportion, and I told already the product of the last two number divided by the first number. But if you have third proportion, of A and B, the third proportion only for the two numbers, therefore is x is equal to, let the third proportion be x, the square of the second number, that is b square, upon the first number. This is called third proportion. Now if mean proportion of A and B, this is also asked for the two numbers only. So suppose it is x, then this is equal to the square root of product of both the number. Means first you product this and then take the square root. For example, of these two, if you have find third and mean proportion of eight and 6. You have to find the third proportion and mean proportion of 8 and 6. So using this, third proportion of A and B is the square of the second number divided by the first number. The solution if we find, so you can write the first part of A and B and then use the values. X is equal to, in place of B, write the 6 square divided by first value, that is 8. 36 by 8 are 4 to the 9, means 9 by 2 is the third proportion. Now the second part, if mean proportion, so mean proportion, just I told, under root A into B, means take 8 into 6 means under root 48, and under root 48 you can solve as 4 4s are 16 into 3 means 4 root 3, simplest form. So this is the mean proportion. It is not necessary that every time you get the perfect square number inside the under root. So this is the mean, and then the questions based on proportion, first proportion, third proportion, fourth proportion and mean proportion in this exercise. So open the exercise 7.2 in ML Agrawal by ICSC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, class 10. So open the exercise 7.2 and you can do the 1, 2, 3, 4, because in every the asking the fourth proportion, asking the value of x, asking the third proportion, mean proportion, by this way you can find. But if you have the continued continued proportion I told, one more proportion, that is continued proportion of A upon B, C upon D, sorry, A, B, C, D, E and so on. There must be at least 3 numbers for the continued proportion and maximum numbers infinite you will, but in your course especially up to 5 numbers are there, or 6 numbers maybe, but not more than 6 numbers. Start from the 3 numbers and till the means end up to 6 number, 1 2 3 4 5 and one more, that is F6. So what you will get the continued proportion, just start from A, first number divided by second number is equal to second number divided by third number is equal to third number divided by fourth number divided by fifth number and so on. If you have only 3 numbers, suppose A, B, C, so stop here, because A upon B is equal to B upon C, अब D तो है नहीं, तो C upon D करने कोई मतलब नहीं, up to here. If you have the 4 number, then up to here you have to write. If you have 5 number, then up to here. So by this way you can write the number. This is the continued proportion. For example, here the one question is given, question number 5. If A, 12, 16 and B, A, 12, 16 and B are in continued proportion, find the values of A and B. How to find? If these are in continued proportion, so according to question, A upon 12 is equal to 12 upon 16 is equal to 16 upon B. Can you write? Yes. Because 4 numbers, so 3 ratios according to this. And now you can, if you simplify, 4 3s and 4 4s. So what you will have, A by 12 is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 16 by B. You can see there are the 2 equation sign, means the all are equal to each other. Matlab these 2 are equal, these 2 are also equal, and this one are also equal, means you can make pair. So first you take to find the A, the first 2 ratios. Now A by 12 is equal to 3 by 4. Cross multiplication, so 4A is equal to 36 or A is equal to 4 9s. This is the value of A. And the value of B, 3 by 4 is equal to 16 by B. And so cross multiplication again, 3B is equal to 64. So B is equal to 64 by 3. This is the value of B. So by this way you can find the continuity. It is very easy and simple. Now questions based on the proportion and other thing. There are some more questions that you have to do. If 4 questions are in proportion, then find the value of the constant, like question number 8. But 6 and 7, in this question, what number you will add in each of the numbers? There are 4 numbers are given. Subtract or add. What number must be added in 5, 11, 19 and 37? Question is, what number must be added in these number that in resulting number, after addition, the resulting number are in proportion. तो अभी ये proportion में नहीं, these are not in proportion, but after adding a number, जो कि सब में वही नंबर, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 इज एडेड, तो 5 इसमें भी ऐड करना, 5 इसमें भी, 5 इसमें भी, 5 इसमें भी. आफ्टर दैट द नंबर्स, ऑल द 4 numbers will be in proportion. तो भाई because you don't know the number, exact value, exact digit, that is why you let x be added to each of the number above number. So 5 plus x, 11 plus x, 19 plus x, 37 plus x, all number. Now according to question, these are in now proportion. Proportion मतलब this upon this is equal to this upon this, मतलब a is to b is equal to c is to d. तो 5 plus x you can write as upon मतलब कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स, तो इंटू 37 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 11 प्लस एक्स इंटू 19 प्लस एक्स. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला आई टोल्ड ऑलरेडी. मल्टीप्लाई दिस वन, 5 7 185 प्लस 5x 37x 42x and plus x square is equal to 209 plus 11x 19x 30x and plus x square. This x square cancelled, and all the term, the variable you take in this side, in the left hand side, and the digits you take in the right hand side. So 42 minus 12x is equal to 4 1 14. तो x is equal 1 minute 9 5 4 and 10 8 2. Then 24 by 12, that is 2. So the value of x is 2. मतलब number 2 will be added to these numbers to get the proportion. आप देख भी सकते हैं 5 to 7 हुआ, 11 to 30 तो 7 by 13 है एक, 19 to 21 हुआ divided by 37 to 39. Now if you 3 7s are 3 13s means both the numbers are equal in proportion. So by this way you can solve the question. Then next one, question number 11. Question number 11 is there. Find the two numbers such that mean proportion between them is 28. Mean proportion is given is 28 and third proportion is also given. (224) it is given. You have to find the two numbers. मतलब दो नंबर है, उन टू नंबर्स का जो मीन प्रोपोर्शन है 28 है एंड थर्ड प्रोपोर्शन इज 224. हाउ टू फाइंड द नंबर्स? फॉर दिस लेट a and b are the two numbers. क्लियर? क्योंकि बाय लेट करना पड़ेगा. Then according to question, mean proportion is 28 and mean proportion of AB is under root AB. This is equal to 28. Equation number 1. And third proportion of these two number is B square upon A is equal to 224. Equation number 2. You have to simplify these two equations and then you will get A and B. How to simplify? From equation 1 take the square, taking square of equation 1. So what you will get? AB is equal to 784. Equation number 3. Now use the equation 2 and 3. Put the value of any variable जो easily किसी और में put हो सके. जैसे for example this the value of A you can put here as B square by 224. So when we put A is equal to B square upon 224 in equation 3 from 2. Now इसको A की वैल्यू यहां से लिया है, इस इक्वेशन से इसमें रखना है, तो B स्क्वायर बाई 224 into b is equal to 784. It is b cube now, and this 224 take that side. Now take out the taking the cube root. Can you take the cube root? या अभी नहीं, पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई करें. इफ इट इज बी क्यूब इट मस्ट बी द क्यूब ऑफ द एनी नंबर. तो अब ये क्यूब है कि नहीं ये पता कैसे करेंगे? दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 28. अगर इफ दिस कम्स 28, अगर इसमें 28 आ जाता है तो ये क्यूब बन सकता है. तो इट इज द मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ टू नंबर्स 28 एंड 8. 20 और 8 को जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आएगा. ओके, and you can write this as b cube is equal to 28 3 times, 8 means 2 is 3 times, so therefore 28 into 2 means 56 cube. You can write directly. So b is equal to 56. This is the first value, and second value you can put here. A is equal to b square by 224, so you will get the second number. Now we put b is equal to 56 in a is equal to b square by 224. So 56 into 56 upon 224. Can you solve? Yes. 56 4s and 4 14s. The second number is 14. By this way you can solve. This is the simplification only. Other questions of this exercise also you can do, but there is one. I will tell you one more question of this that is based on the mean proportion. If, for example, question number 12, 13, 14, these are the same type of question. Now you see the 14th question. If y is mean proportion between x and z, y is mean proportion between x and z means y square is equal to xz, or you can say y is equal to under root xz, means y square is equal to xz. अगर a b c 3 नंबर्स दिए गए, b मीन प्रोपोर्शन है a एंड c का, तो b is equal to under root ac. जस्ट I told you बिटवीन द टू नंबर्स, तो दोनों नंबर का प्रोडक्ट करके उनका स्क्वायर रूट ले लो तो मीन प्रोपोर्शन निकल आएगा. एंड यू हैव टू शो दैट एक्स वाई जेड. नाउ प्रूव दैट एक्स वाई जेड इन ब्रैकेट एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड का होल क्यूब इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई प्लस वाई जेड प्लस जेड एक्स होल क्यूब. You have to prove that. How to prove? In proving, you must remember, you can prove from the left hand side. Take left hand side and prove the right hand side. Take right hand side and prove the left hand side. Or take both the sides and prove both are equal. मतलब by any means you have to prove that the two are equal. अभी दिख नहीं रहे equal, तुमको equal दिखाना है. Using equation 1 you can say. तो अब इक्वेशन 1 को यूज करके अगर प्रूफ करना है तो कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे? अगर हम राइट साइड लें तो इजी वे से प्रूव हो जाएगा. कैसे इजी वे से प्रूव होगा? दिस इज एक्स वाई जेड इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड होल क्यूब. अगर हम राइट साइड लें आर एच राइट हैंड साइड आर एच एस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई जेड प्लस जेड एक्स किसी भी तरीके से ले सकते हैं. जेड एक्स यू नो दैट इज वाई स्क्वायर, यू कैन पुट हियर. तो एक्स वाई प्लस वाई जेड प्लस वाई स्क्वायर यूजिंग वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स जेड. देन कैन यू टेक कॉमन वाई. वाई यहां पे भी है, यहां पे भी है, यहां पे भी है. इन द 3 places the y is there. You can take common y. If you are taking common y but use the big bracket and inside the bracket you take, क्योंकि यहाँ पे whole bracket 3 लगा हुआ है, whole power, तो x is there, z is there and y is there. Okay, x is there, y is there, z is, and then whole power 3 बिग ब्रैकेट। अब इस y को ये 3 पावर को अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो यहां भी पावर आएगा, यहां भी पावर आएगा। सो इन द टू प्लेसेस you will get the power because this is the rule, ab to the power m is equal to ambm, means power will be multiplied. So you can write like this, x plus y plus z whole cube। देखो अब ये टर्म आ गया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, only this much is this y cube you can write as y square into y। Can you write? Yes। तो y square in place of y square you can put xz। Can you say that xyz into x plus y plus is equal to left hand side, मतलब both are equal। So by this in this question I have told up to question number 14 and I end up this video. Thank you and all the best।